Rainwater is naturally slightly acidic because carbon dioxide in the air dissolves in rainwater to form carbonic acid. This gives normal rainwater a slightly acidic pH of about 5.6. When sulfur dioxide and nitrogen oxides from the pollutant dissolve in rainwater, the pH of rainwater will be lower than 5.6. The rainwater with a pH lower than 5.6 is called acid rain. Sulfur dioxide is formed mainly from the burning of sulfur-containing fossil fuels in power stations and factories. Sulfur dioxide dissolves in rainwater to form sulfurous acid. Some of the sulfurous acid further reacts with oxygen to produce sulfuric acid. Nitrogen oxides causing acid rain include nitrogen monoxide and nitrogen dioxide. The combined action of high temperatures and electric sparks in motor vehicles causes a little atmospheric nitrogen and oxygen to combine to form nitrogen monoxide, which rapidly reacts with oxygen in the air to form nitrogen dioxide. Nitrogen monoxide dissolves in rainwater to form nitrous acid, and nitrogen dioxide dissolves in rainwater to form nitrous acid and nitric acid, which give rise to acid rain. Acid rain causes harm to plants, water life, and building materials. Acid rain makes soils acidic and not suitable for plants to grow. Water in lakes and rivers has become acidic due to acid rain. Water lives cannot survive in water which is too acidic. Acid rain corrodes common building materials such as limestone, marble, sandstone, cement, and concrete. This is because acid rain reacts with the calcium carbonate in these materials, and the product is soluble in water. It is washed away slowly.